welcome to Conversations with My Real Friends. I'm Jennifer. I'm here with my friend Michelle. Michelle is an employment law attorney representing businesses in Southern California and Northern California. And your firm does both consulting, like kind of general employment law, but then you also do litigation as well, correct?
Correct. We are full service employment counsel and advice, we call it.
Okay.
All types of litigation through trial or arbitration,
Right.
and we do the appellate work if needed.
Got it. So how do you think being a litigator and doing the appellate work affects your ability as a firm to guide people on the front end?
I think it's invaluable because on any given call or Zoom conference or in-person conference with a new client or a client that has questions and they are reluctant to make changes or don't understand why they have to and what is the risk. That's what I always tell people. You don't have to do anything.
Right.
These are the risks. I have real world stories to tell that change monthly. Well, this person, this company made this choice. They made it. They had to pay on this end.
Right.
They were okay with it or they really weren't okay with it.
Right.
And so it's really seeing some of these esoteric or sort of unbelievable ideas.
Right.
Are these really the laws?
Yeah.
In action.
Right. Well, and I mean, I think many of us as employers think California's employment laws are a bit off.
Yeah, I would say that's a general sentiment. There are other states that are tough as well.
Right.
And there are states that they seem really easy, but the employees are very litigious.
Right.
So I don't know that there's a win. I'd say the winners are actually some of the companies that are newer.
Interesting.
Being started by newer, younger generation.
Right.
That just sees employment law attorneys as part of their mix from the beginning.
Right. So they're bringing you in from the beginning and setting up a good base to start, because that makes all the difference in the world.
It makes all the difference. We represent a lot of generational businesses.
Yeah.
And as we're moving from first generation to second and now sometimes to third, all of a sudden it's a lot easier for them to say, all right, we know how we've always done it.
Right.
But we know we have to become compliant.
Yes.
And we know we've grown. We're not a mom and pop anymore. And it doesn't insulate you, of course.
No.
But when you come in not being sued,
Yes.
and you're just getting set up, it makes things a lot easier
No
than
question.
getting you out of the fire and then
Setting
changing the
things up.
rules.
Right. Well, and the reality is the rules are changing around here
Every
constantly
day.
anyways.
Every day.
I joke California is the full employment state for your type of law, my type of law. There's never nothing not to talk about.
That is true. I do agree with that, Jennifer.
So if someone wants to talk about what's changing, how do they reach you?
Sure. You could always reach me via my email at mferber@ferberlaw.com or read about our firm as a whole on our website at www.ferberlaw.com.
Great. So thank you for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you for joining us for this episode of Conversations with My Real Friends. We'll see you on an episode soon.